Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shama Una and thank you for stopping by. My first YouTube video is going to be a tutorial for my naturalistas. So if you are a 4C naturalista like me, you need to stay tuned because I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of tips, tutorials on how to wear your hair. I'm sure you don't want to miss that, so please make sure you stay tuned. But in this first video, I'm going to be giving a tutorial on how to achieve this kind of look. I'm sure you like my hair, right? Don't lie. Yes, so if you want to know how to achieve this sleek bun, please make sure you stay tuned and share this video. Hi guys, so I'm starting out with like my hair plaited like this. I washed my hair about a week ago, so normally if I'm not going out I always leave it in box braids. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start loosening it. Loosening my hair. The next step is going to get a band to back it up, but personally I like using rubber band. Yes, I prefer using rubber band because it grips my hair very well. So what I do is that I start by like kind of packing my hair and then take one rubber band and bring it down to my neck. So I do it like 3 times because I can't pass 3 rubber bands at once, so I prefer using rubber bands because I found out that the other elastic bands that I've used before, my hair doesn't come out as nice and sleek as using rubber bands. So you can please try that out and let me know how it is. So I just go ahead to comb my hair. Now I take my spritz bottle and just spray water on my edges. Then if you're using gel, I go with my Eco Styler gel and just put it around my hair. You have to be fast so that this rubber band won't pain you. Now I lift the rubber bands at once. Just ensure that you get to the beginning of your hair, then you start dragging it up. Yeah, and we have it. So now that you have gotten it up, what I like to do is that I like to just brush my edges, and then also I remove like 2 of the rubber bands because I don't want it to be tight. So I remove it one by one. I've removed one. And I've removed the second one. So I'm just going to fluff my hair. If you like, you can go in with a spray bottle to spritz your hair, but on the first day when I do my bun, I like my hair to be kind of dry, so it depends on what you want. Then lastly we are going to be going with our edge control to design our edges. That's if you like that. So I have my comb. Just anything you like to do. I'm not really an edge person, but you can just try. So the last step is optional. I like going in with a scarf to scarf my hair so that my edges can lay properly. So I just do this for like 1 to 2 minutes. Now for your afro, you can decide to twist it and then untwist it back to give it a nice style, but I'm just going to make it very plain. Scarf it. I'm sure you can see how sleek my hair looks, and trust me, I feel no pain. So please leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what kind of hairstyles you like me to do on this channel. Tell me the kind of videos you like me to make, and also tell me if you'll be trying out this hairstyle. Why I love this hairstyle is because, in fact, 10 of the times that I carry my natural hair, 5 of the times I'm always on this hairstyle because it's so easy, it's so elegant. Like, trust me, there's no place that I've gone with my hair like this that I've not gotten a lot of attention, a lot of compliments. So yes, if you're a naturalista, please make sure you try this hairstyle. Make sure you rock your hairstyle. You can do a lot of things with this. So I'm your plug. Make sure you try this at home, and I will see you in my next video. But before you go, please make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video with everybody that you know is a naturalista, and make sure you comment. Yes, tell me what you like to see. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.